Let's talk about the impact of student loans on qualifying for a mortgage. As you may know, student debt is at an all-time high, and many prospective home buyers ask whether they need to wait to pay off student loan debts prior to buying a home. The reality is, homeowners build an average of 44 times the wealth of renters, with often the same monthly payment. So buying sooner rather than later can be an important part of your financial freedom. Student debt rarely gets in the way of buying, but you need an expert to navigate the many loan programs out there with their varied rules related to student debt. Student loans have many repayment plans ranging from deferred repayments to income-based repayments to fully amortized payments. And these payments can range from 5 to 30 years. And often these payment plans can be adjusted based on your circumstances and needs. Just as there are many repayment plans for student loans, there are many rules for how mortgage programs count student payments in the mortgage qualifying process. For example, let's explore a situation where you have zero monthly payment due to deferment or forbearance. Fannie Mae and FHA require us to count 1% of your total outstanding balance as a monthly payment into your debt-to-income ratio, even though you don't have to make any payments at all. But Freddie Mac and USDA require us only to count 0.5%. And if you have significant graduate school debt, you may be able to apply and instantly receive approval to amortize your debt over 30 years, creating a very low monthly payment. You can always pay it off faster without a prepayment penalty, but we get to use the lower minimum payment required. This is an often overlooked qualifying technique that TruLoan mortgage experts are trained to use. We really can't explain why there's such a disparity in these rules. We just work to qualify clients based on their circumstances and match them to the best program situation for their needs. The great news is student debt almost never keeps a person from becoming a homeowner. Sometimes it takes just a little planning. There are dozens more nuances of student loans and mortgage qualification we could discuss with you for hours, but instead we suggest a no-cost, personalized consultation to plan your home buying journey with a TruLoan representative. Because that's the lending experience you'll love.